Brownie, you wanna go outside, boy? You wanna go outside, boy? Little cow cow. Meow. What's up, guys? So, what's going on, you guys? So, what's going on, you guys? What's going on, everybody? Yo, what's up, guys? Oh, shit. What's up, guys? TomsHondas here, and welcome back. What's going on, you guys? Welcome back. Alright, guys, what's going on? TomsHondas here, and welcome back. What is going on, you guys? We made it. Good morning. What is going on, everybody? TomsHondas here. So, Dee is here. TomsHondas in the house, right? In the building. Yes, sir. TomsHondas is in the rubber. Woo! Yeah. It's good.
Jordan, baby! Hey, you good? I got you, bro. The ground, it went 2 different directions.
Dude. Holy shit.
I didn't see the camera at first.
Thank you
I saw
guys.
that.
Oh my god. Yeah, this is what you guys were sitting in. Oh my god. Dude, yeah. I thought it was gone. I was like, that's it, it's gone.
Heidi said
it's
that.
done.
She's like, DC, you can't find it, don't worry about it. I'm like, forget
Yeah.
that. I'm like, I want the epic story of
Dude,
this thing still working.
The
And I
troopers.
looked at it, I'm like, the light's still playing.
What's going on, everybody? So Classic Hondas on the Dragon is over. Shout out to them, man, for hosting an awesome meet. It was awesome to see all the different Hondas and everything out there, but it is time to head back home, basically, man. So we're all packing up, getting ready to leave the Madspeed Cabins. Shout out to Madspeed for the tour, for helping us out along the whole entire way and hanging out with the homies, man. It's been awesome. Yeah, but we do have a little side quest, so you'll see that very shortly.